Ever dreamed of throwing your shoe at the computer screen the next time you stare down a mountain of receipts? Yeah, us too. We've all been there. Buried in receipts, scrambling to remember that random gas station purchase from 2 weeks ago, and facing a looming deadline for that expense report. But what if there was a way to ditch the paper chase and streamline the entire expense report process? Enter Expensify, the expense management hero you never knew you needed. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Expensify, let's address the elephant in the room. Is it worth it? The unbundling fee, friend or foe? Expensify offers a free plan, which is great for freelancers or those with minimal expenses. However, their paid plans come with an unbundling fee if you don't use their corporate card. This fee can range from $5 to $18 per user per month, depending on the plan you choose. Here's the deal, the fee exists because Expensify gets a kickback when you use their card for purchases. It incentivizes using the card, which can streamline your expense tracking further. But is the fee a deal breaker? Not necessarily. If you have a team of frequent travelers or a high volume of expenses, the convenience of the card and the potential for streamlined expense tracking might outweigh the cost. But Expensify is more than just a card. Even without the card, Expensify offers a ton of valuable features that can save you time and money. Here's a taste of what you get. Receipt capture. Snap a picture of your receipt with your phone and Expensify automatically extracts the information. No more manual data entry. Automatic categorization. Expensify uses AI to categorize your expenses, saving you the hassle of sorting through them yourself. Mileage tracking. Track your miles automatically with the app, eliminating the need for manual logs. Policy enforcement. Set spending limits and expense rules to ensure everyone's on the same page. Seamless reporting. Generate beautiful and easy-to-understand expense reports with just a few clicks. Collaboration made easy. Expensify isn't just about individual expense tracking. It's also a powerful collaboration tool. Your team can easily submit expenses, get approvals, and track the overall spending picture. No more chasing down colleagues for missing receipts or waiting for approvals to hold up your reimbursements. But wait, there's more. Expensify integrates with a wide range of accounting software and financial tools, making it a central hub for all your expense management needs. So, is Expensify right for you? Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a freelancer with occasional expenses, the free plan might be enough. But for businesses of all sizes, especially those with frequent travel or a high volume of expenses, Expensify can be a game changer. The verdict? Try before you buy. The best way to see if Expensify is right for you is to try it out for yourself. They offer a free trial, so you can take it for a spin and see if it streamlines your expense management process. Remember, ditching the paper chase and reclaiming your sanity is priceless. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.